Sitio, Bayaket, Bayo yung basista Pangasinan. Shoutout kay Elizabeth Evangelista, may Jival Dory, at kay Bernard Custodio, at sa mga followers natin na taga Bayaket, Bayoyong.
Met you, there was things I've known. I said to get you way to find food. Come, there was something inside. There was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Beat in my heart. We get something going on. And the love is blind. Yeah, we was a dedication. All this love we feel, easy conversation we ride together.